Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Windows is up to date and you're signed into an administrator account. Once done, connect power and Wi-Fi so the device won't interrupt enrollment. Next, open Settings, go to Accounts and choose Sign-in options. Find Windows Hello Fingerprint. This is where you start registration. Tap the fingerprint option and select Setup. Don't click anything else yet, because the system will guide the capture process step by step. You'll now perform the core enrollment. Press Start and place the finger on the sensor when prompted. Pay attention and lift or rotate slightly after each beep so Windows captures different angles and edges. Make sure you use the same finger pad consistently and keep the pad dry. The system needs repeatable contact. If the UI asks for a PIN, set it now. Windows requires a PIN as backup. Continue until the progress bar completes. The device will confirm a successful enrollment. You should finish by testing the scanner. Lock the laptop and unlock using the enrolled finger several times to confirm reliability. If you encounter failures, make sure the fingerprint driver is current. Open Device Manager, find Biometric Devices, update or reinstall the driver. Also remove and re-enroll the fingerprint if reads remain inconsistent. Finally, run the Windows Troubleshooter for sign-in issues. It can reset Hello components. If problems persist, clean the sensor and retry enrollment. Often that fixes most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.